How to get Sendwave promo code. Download and open the Sendwave on your mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create a new account by entering your full name, email address, and phone number, or sign up using your Apple or Google account. Choose the country where you want to send money, then complete the registration by verifying your identity as prompted. Look for available promo codes by checking Sendwave's official website, social media, or trusted coupon sites. Copies of valid promo codes can include ones like Brookie, Sana20, or RedMyFit Finder for discounts or credits on your first transfer. When ready to send money, enter the recipient's details and your payment method. At checkout or before confirming the transfer, enter the promo code in the promo code or discount code box and apply it to get the discount. Make sure the promo code is applied before completing the payment to receive the promotional credits or discounts. Keep track of any terms, such as the promo being for new users only or one-time use, to ensure your code works correctly. Complete your money transfer securely through the app, enjoying your savings from the promo code. Subscribe